Good morning, I am Natalia Falagá and I'm a lecturer in food science and technology at Cranfield University. I am here today to give you an introduction to the Africa Center of Excellence for Sustainable Cooling and Cold Chain. The importance of cold chain for society has become much more visible in the past 2 years when disruption in our food system have jeopardized the quality and safety of food and also vaccine supply. Sustainable cooling and cold chain are now a priority for international governments and organizations. However, the food cold chain, both chilled and frozen, is really complex. When we talk about food cold chain, we are not referring only to storage, but all the way through harvest, production, distribution, sales, and consumption. Cold chains include static and mobile elements with different food requirements and energy demands that must work together in order to ensure resilience. Our current food supply chains lack of integration between sectors. There is very little communication among the elements forming the food systems, and therefore monitoring and also intervening on the global system performance is very challenging. In order to tackle this global challenge, we have brought together a unique cross-discipline team with University of Birmingham, London South Bank, Cranfield, and Heriot-Watt universities to work together with UK and international partners across a series of significant post-harvest management and cold chain research projects in both developed and developing countries. This project is in collaboration with University of Rwanda, Government of Rwanda, and is supported by DEFRA in the UK and UNEP. In this context, we have brought together a multidisciplinary expertise and commercial partners to build ACES, the Africa Center for Sustainable Cooling and Cold Chain, which is a first-of-a-kind, multi-zone, comprehensive hub for cutting-edge technical assistance and knowledge transfer for sustainable cooling and cold chain. With ACES, what we want to is develop and demonstrate strategies for real change towards sustainable cold chain and food loss reduction, identify sustainable cooling and cold chain systems able to meet the post-harvest management and social needs, improve knowledge on post-harvest behavior of food to optimize systems and maintain nutritional and physiological quality, provide business assistance and training to smallholder farmers and rural community. We want to reach excellence in teaching and establish living labs for capacity building in the field. In order to do so and reach as many people as we can, we want to build public awareness on the benefits of using sustainable cooling and the negative impact of food loss and waste. In ACES, we promote interconnectivity between sectors, which is the only way to tackle the food system challenges. We have, therefore, a global vision, and we want to identify and promote international and also local market opportunities. We have an integrated approach, as I was saying, where industry, governments, academia, and development partners must work together. And we want to connect food, energy, and the stakeholders, always under the umbrella of sustainability and resilience. This Pan-African program counts with 4 main components. ACES is a research center. We will develop future-proof solutions for food loss and waste reduction, data collection and interpretation, low-carbon technologies, having the nexus of food, energy, and water at the core of our work. ACES is a technology hub where we demonstrate cutting-edge technology. Innovation is key for ACES, and we will develop lab and field solutions and support industry to implement novel solutions. ACES is a business incubator. We also focus on developing sustainable business models to attract investment and help industry increase their market opportunities. And the 4th pillar in ACES is ACES as a knowledge hub. Capacity building in the field and skill development is fundamental to tackle this global challenge. We will work on knowledge transfer to improve skills at all levels of the food supply chain. The 6 areas we are developing for the center's capabilities are the ones you can see in this slide. The first one is post-harvest management from both a biological and technological points of view, and its integration with energy use. Then we are looking at distribution and logistics with zero-emission refrigerated transport, rechargeable cooling boxes, etc. ACES includes an energy storage center with thermal system, waste heat to coal approaches, and thermal storage. The fourth area is data. ACES will be able to impact on data and digital transformation, developing virtual models, electronic trading, and other platforms. And we also want to support business development with design service, network engagement, and advice on finance. Our vision is to support food quality and safety and expand markets. And this is why we will also focus on quality control and certifications to improve current standards and facilitate import-export activities. ACES is supported by a multi-million-pound public sector investment by the government of UK and Rwanda. And ACES is hosted in the University of Rwanda. Our aim is to demonstrate technology, but mostly to develop the in-country skill base to ensure the growth of markets and the implementation of innovative and sustainable food supply chain solutions. Our vision is to address two urgent interconnected global challenges: food loss and the access to cold chain and cooling. The center has capacity to test temperature control aggregation, grading, marketing, among others, post-harvest management training, market intelligence and traceability are being a hub as a business incubator and knowledge transfer point. While the center is based in Rwanda, this is a Pan-African project. The focus is looking at the whole continent. And in order to gather data and information from different areas of Africa, ACES will get support from what we call living labs, located in strategic points and with particular areas of specialization across the continent. The living labs share knowledge and best practice with ACES. The idea is for us to connect with industry so we can collaborate and help each other to expand markets and build capacity in the field. So if you have any doubts, please contact any of us. You have our names here. So thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much, KTN, for inviting us. And I hope we can be in touch very soon.